Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how we can start with Mendix app development, which is a low-code application platform. So with this, once you create the application, you register the new application, it will land you on this studio page. Okay. And you will be seeing this home page now. So in the right hand side, there are app explorer, there is a page explorer is there. You have the properties of the page. There are pre-built in tools which you can utilize in your UI journey. And there are some marketplace things also there. So uh, in order to start with that, come to the domain model where you will start with first creating the entity or the tables, as you can say. Like we need to build a database for it. So in order to start with the creation of table or entity, you can come to new entity page, or you can simply right click and hit this add entity. This will create the entity. You can name it as, for example, course. Okay, sorry. And there could be system members which you can click, that it's up to you. The custom attributes you can create here. For example, I'll be creating the course ID, which could be auto number or the string, any which way. And another, I would create the course name, which could also be string, and the course duration, which could also be string. For example, 30 days, 20 days, 1 month, anything, right? So I'll hit this, and this created the course entity. Pretty easy, right? So before publishing it, I would like you to tell you that it won't affect the front end because we haven't touched yet. So the shortcut in Mendix is that we can click, right click the entity and click on this generate overview pages, and it will automatically create you to the pages. You can see within the seconds this pages got created. If you right click these pages, you can see this kind of view is available. Okay, so this new course actually land to new edit page. Okay, so wherever you will use this, you need to keep in mind that you need to use the course overview, because there's inherited page as a pop-up for new edit screen. Okay, so next is how we can come and make use of these overview pages. There are two ways. Either you can make it in this navigation box. Another is you can simply drag this and this will create a button which will land into it. So I will show you both the ways. First is pretty easy. This will land you, once you click this, it will land you to the course overview page. Another is the navigation, which is there in the system one. So you can create a new item and course, for example, and you can select icon of your choice, and with this there are multiple option on click. I'll just go with show a page, and I'll click overview pages and select okay. So you can see, pretty easy, right? So this way the overview pages have been created. I'll just hit Control S for everything. And with this run locally, I will click it because I need to just run it on the local server before I have to publish to the entire unit, for which the new architecture server is needed. But the recommendation is first you create the entire application over here, and then you can go and request the server for your application. Okay, it will take little minutes to publish it, and then I can show you that how it actually looks. So you can see that application is published locally. I'll just hit view button and you will see that this is there. You can land to the course page via this button, or with this navigation you can see that this is quite responsive in nature. You can come and click this and create one course, for example, and maybe 30 days. Okay, and hit save. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.